In this short tutorial, we're going to show you what's new in the BravoZone for July of 2022. There is now a new welcome page. You can still click on any of these to go ahead and get started to build a session. You will notice down here on Quiz Show, Spinoff, and all the different sessions, you'll see these little badges. The number indicates the number of quizzes that have been built in the BravoZone. So I have 5 quiz shows made, 3 spin-offs, and so on and so forth. I currently have not made any world games in this particular setup. These quick links are also available here as well under the content tab on the top of the page. What is fairly new is the question editor. You may be familiar with the question library when you're building a session like in Quiz Show or Tally, but the question editor is as the name implies. It's a way for you to edit the questions and add or create questions separately of a session. You can either reach this by clicking on the quick link, Question Editor, or go up to Content and click on Question Editor. This will bring up your library feature. Looks very similar to what's in the library itself. But if I click on this, I can go ahead and edit these questions right here. And you notice I can make changes. I can also edit the preview and the summary slides. What's nice about this is if you want to just create questions and content, but you don't know what you want to use to deliver it, you can always just start with the question editor. The next thing I want to show you is the option that is now available in Quiz Show. I'm going to open up an existing game, go to Content, My Content, and I'm going to click on 12 Teams. Spoiler alert, what is now available in Quiz Show only is the ability to have up to 12 teams. And you just choose the number of teams you want just under the options here. Speaking of teams, if you go up to Reports for instructor-led scores, and I'm going to go to a session I've played previously with 12 teams, click on Details. You'll see we have Details, Summary, Participants, and now a new tab, Teams. This will show you how the teams did overall. And if you click on the Show Names, it will actually break down who was on what team. Well, that's it. If you have any other questions, there are tutorials down in the notes below in the YouTube channel. Until the next time, hope you always find unique ways to make your next training more engaging. Take care.